Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 1, Tansen, the magical musician, part 4. Akbar was so impressed by Tansen music that he bestowed on him the highest honor of the land. Tansen was included among his Navratna, 9 jewels, the 9 most outstanding talents of royal court. Besides performing in the court, Tansen would often sing alone for the emperor. At night, he sang ragas that would soothe and help Akbar fall asleep. And in the morning, Tansen sang special ragas that would gently awaken the emperor. There are many stories told about the power of Tansen's music. It is said that when Tansen sang, birds and animals would gather to hear. Okay, children, Akbar was so impressed by Tansen music. So what did he do? He bestowed. Bestowed means gave respect. To give respect to someone is called bestowed. Uchapat dena. Okay, and he included him as a Navratna. You know, Akbar in Akbar court there was Navratna. Okay, 9 jewels. The 9 most outstanding talents of the royal court, and he also added Tansen. Okay, Tansen performed in court as well as especially for the emperor alone. He sang pleasant ragas that help Akbar asleep and at night. Okay, and he also sang a special ragas in the morning to awaken the emperor. Okay, Tansen used to sing a song in the morning and at night to make the Akbar sleep and awaken him. Okay, it was a story about Tansen music that when he used to sing, birds and animals gathered around him to hear him. Okay. One evening, Emperor Akbar decided to visit Tansen. When the emperor arrived, Tansen was singing and playing the tanpura. The emperor sat quietly in the veranda and listened to him. So pleased was the emperor with Tansen's music that after the performance he took off his diamond necklace and presented it to Tansen. So children, what happened? One evening Akbar decided to visit Tansen, and when the emperor arrived, when he reached, what did he saw? Tansen was singing and playing tanpura. So emperor sat quietly and listened to him. He was so impressed, he was so pleased by Tansen music performance that he took off his diamond necklace and presented to Tansen. Okay. Some courtiers became very jealous of the emperor's high regard for Tansen. They stole the diamond necklace given by emperor and told him that Tansen had sold it for a large sum of money. When summoned to royal court and asked to produce the necklace, Tansen was unable to do so. The emperor flew into rage. You will be banished from the court till you can present yourself wearing the necklace, roared the emperor. So children, what happened? Seeing the high regard towards Tansen, the courtier means member of the court, become very jealous that how Tansen is giving more respect to the Tansen. So what did they do? In jealousy, they stole the diamond necklace and told the emperor that Tansen had sold it for a large amount of money, for large sum of money. So what happened? The emperor got in rage, in anger, and he called Tansen or ordered to show the necklace. But it was stolen and Tansen was unable to do so. So what did the emperor do? Emperor banished. Banish means, what did he do? banished him, removed him, throw him out from the court. And what did he told? He told him to present himself wearing the necklace. When he will come with the necklace, then he will keep him. So what did he do? He removed the Tansen from his court. Okay, children, move to the next para. What happened? Tansen was in disgrace. He had no one to turn to. At last, he thought of King Ramchandra and set off for Rewa. Ramchandra welcomed his former court musician. After hearing the whole story, the king said, "Don't worry, just sing for me." Tansen sang two beautiful ragas for the king. "You have brought me great joy," said Ramchandra, and as a token of appreciation, he presented his jeweled sandal to Tansen. So children, what happened? Tansen was in disgrace. When Akbar removed him, threw him out, what did he did? He was upset. He was in disgrace. He lost his respect. उसे बेइज्जत होना पड़ा. And there was no one who can listen him. So at last he went to King Ramchandra and told all the story to Ramchandra. And what did he told? Ramchandra told that don't worry, just sing for me and be here only. So Tansen sang two beautiful ragas for the King Ramchandra. So Ramchandra got happy, and as a token of appreciation, of love, for respect, he presented jeweled sandals to Tansen. हीरो से जड़ा हुआ सैंडल तानसेन को प्रेजेंट करता है, गिफ्ट करता है. Okay, children, move to the next para. Tansen rushed back to Agra and placed the jeweled sandal in front of the emperor. "Sire, please take the diamond from these and forgive me." The jeweled sandals were worth much more than the necklace. The emperor immediately realized that he had misjudged Tansen and said, "Your music is much more valuable than diamonds to me. I should never have doubted you. Return to the court as my royal musician." So children, what happened? When Tansen got a present, a jeweled sandal, what did he do? He went to Agra to Emperor's Akbar court, and he told, "Please take the diamond from the sandal and forgive me." So the jeweled sandals were more costlier than the necklace. Okay, so Akbar realized his mistake. And he told that he misjudged him. उसे गलत समझ लिया था. "Your music is more valuable than diamonds to me. You are more valuable. Your music is more valuable than diamond. So please, I will never doubt you. I will never misjudge you. Please." He requested Tansen to please return to the royal musician, to the royal court, to the Akbar court. Okay, children, move to the next para. Tansen's fame spread far and wide. Tansen's enemies grew more jealous. They suggested to the emperor that he command Tansen to sing Deepak Raga. Deepak Raga was one of the most difficult ragas to sing. Besides, so much heat would be caused a perfect rendering of these ragas that not only would lamp a light, but the singer's body too would burn to ashes. So when Akbar asked Tansen to sing Deepak Raga, Tansen pleaded, "Sir, Deepak Raga can set the singer himself on fire." But the emperor would not listen. So children, Tansen returned and to the royal court, to the royal Akbar's court, and his fame spread far and wide. So Tansen's enemies grew more jealous, and they begin to plot his downfall. Okay, then what did they do? They suggested Akbar to command to sing Deepak Raga. They went to Akbar, and what did they commanded? They told that Tansen used to sing Deepak Raga. You have not heard it or what? And then, hearing this, what did Akbar do? Akbar ordered the Tansen to sing a Deepak Raga. So, what is Deepak Raga? Deepak Raga is a type of raga that after performing Deepak Raga, not only would lamps light, but the singer's body also used to burn to ashes. So what happened when Akbar asked Tansen to sing Deepak Raga? So Tansen pleaded, requested, said, please, if I can sing Deepak Raga, but if a person can sing a Deepak Raga, a singer also, even it can light the fire, but light the lamp, but it can himself also burn into ashes, burn into fire. But emperor did not listen to him. He just ordered to sing a Deepak Raga, and he has to follow it.